all this is oil. All that's oil. Coming clear down here. That's oil. That's oil. That's all oil. So where's all this oil come from? Valve cover gasket. Alright, so here's the old valve cover. We got it replaced. $2,000 repair. And we've been having issues with the valve cover, this particular valve cover in particular. It's already been replaced once about 2 years ago. Shop up in Wisconsin replaced it. They left a big 1/4-inch Christmas tree underneath of the back side of the valve cover, and it's never sealed right ever since. But also, this harkens to the fact of, well, where is it? Right here, which is on the back side, driver's side of the valve cover. They didn't take caution to putting it back in correctly, for one. This was the shop up in Wisconsin. I double checked. And two, whenever you do the overheads on these C.N.Gs, you have to replace your valve cover gasket. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's just going to leak by the time you do the next oil change. So 20,000-30,000 miles and it's already leaking. It's worth the $35 that a gasket costs. So, and then not only on top of that, but also clean the surface when you do it, because there was a bunch of other crap all the way back around where the looming broke apart when they pulled it out. One of the other issues that we have. But hold on. So, damn air compressor. So yeah, clean off mating surfaces, replace your valve cover gasket, and double check the back side of the valve cover for anything, even a small zip tie, that could really screw with your sealing surfaces on these. So that's just another little bitty C.N.G tip for y'all to reiterate again, like I've said in the past on one, that'll happen. And yet I know personally that all it takes is one tail end of a zip tie, because it's happened to me. So y'all take care, have fun. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. If you screw something up, somebody could die, or it's just going to cost a couple $1,000s, and you know, an hour worth of labor, whatever, you know, that might cost you. So maybe a little bit more, since this one was still hot off the road by the time I pulled it in. So take care.
Yeah.